the launch of this Go Live feature within the Gohighlevel communities. By the way, if you're not aware, Gohighlevel has this community feature where you can build the community, get the people to join, and you can have different channels created, and within each channels you can post different things, host different things. For example, this is my community, and by the way, it's 100% free to join. I have created, and the sole focus of this community for the Gohighlevel would be, as you can see, client magnet. That means how do you acquire Gohighlevel clients? That would be the goal. And how do we achieve it? By having this mastermind calls. So we are going to schedule mastermind call where all the members, we are going to go live, and all the members will be can join, and we are going to discuss what is the strategy work for them, for me, for everybody else. And as every week, as we keep on growing, I'm going to introduce new guests, more guests, and of course in proximity with the people with the same goals. You should definitely want to be here. There is no catch to it, 100% free to join. So I'm going to do this Go Live feature right in front of you. Basically, I can go live in the community, and my video will be recorded, and everybody can join, and after the session ends, it will be posted in the group as well. Super advanced level sort of a thing. It seems as if it's a community platform, the way Gohighlevel offers. By the way, how do you join my community? Just to quickly wrap up, it's you don't have to sign up with my affiliate link or anything for joining. It's completely free, and it'll be great hanging out here. Please join. So abdullahzahid.com/snapshots. You go there, and at the page, if you just scroll it down, you will find the link to join. There you go. Just click on here, join our Gohighlevel community, and that's it. You'll be directed to this page. You can join us, and definitely very soon we are going to start, because I'm just trying to add more things. How can I add more values to the calls that we are going to have, and specific strategies, so that every time you learn the new strategies that worked for people. So let me just quickly go live, try to go live. You click on the Go Live thing, and it pops up this window, and then it says basically in which channel, announcement, mastermind, or so in this case, let's say announcement, and I have to allow the camera, and then I have to allow my mic, right? And after allowing, I'll just have to enter the title. Let's say in this case, I'm writing hello guys, or something like how to get 10 clients in 5 days, whatever. So I'll just try testing in this case, and you can use a streaming software for this, and you can choose the camera and stuff, and I'll just click on go live, and it is going to go live. That's it. That is the only thing you need to do, guys. Next level of things Gohighlevel is definitely launching. And then inside the go live, as you can see, I can just unmute my audio, unmute my video, right? So my video is right now being live streamed into the community. If you would have been community member, you would have seen me live over here, and anybody who has joined that live, people can join, all my members can join. Over here, just like the Zoom chat, you have the participants, they can chat, you can react, you want to intervene, you want to talk back, so you can raise the hand, right? You want to share the win.
Hi, my name is Abdullah Zahid, and I have a confession to make. I have been associated with Gohighlevel as an independent affiliate from the past 4 years. I've done interview of Sean Clark, the CEO and the co-founder, another co-founder, Varun Varavan. Super amazing people these are, one of the best software, and that is why we are on a journey to promote this software to as many people as possible. So we thought of solving the problem of the agencies for free. We have seen a lot of agencies who sign up new or just get on board with the Gohighlevel. They have a lot of issues because they do not know how do you set up, and then how do you use the system. They have a lot of question answer. They need constantly somebody to be around so that they can ask the question, they can get the setup. So they happen to even invest a lot of money hiring people around to get their website development, to do XYZ things. So we have converted all of this into a form of bonus for anybody who signs up using our referral link. So all you have to do is just go to the website abdullahzahid.com/snapshots, and that's where you can just click on the link and sign up for the 30-day free trial, or upgrade to the $297 or the $497 plan. Now, what are the bonuses that we are going to give you? Number one, one-to-one WhatsApp support, personal WhatsApp support. A group will be formed between me, you, and my Gohighlevel expert person, and the lady will be constantly there for your support. We'll do the onboarding, all your question and answer, anything that you wish to get developed, she will be developing. My goal is that the WhatsApp group will be ended only when you say, okay, I am satisfied with the support. That's the number one. Number two, you will be getting 127 exclusive snapshot. Basically, These exclusive snapshot, if you individually try to get them in the market, you'll have to pay thousands of dollars just for one snapshot. This is a done for you template, by the way. But here you are going to get it completely free, the entire 127 snapshot set. Not just that, even the personal website or the funnel development, if you wish, our Gohighlevel expert will do it for you. Then the fourth bonus would be, we understand the importance of the artificial intelligence. So the AI employee entire grasping, like teaching you how do you do that, how does it work, and even doing the setup if you wish for it. And personalized guidance to all the secret trainings and the courses that are available for you to watch and do, as well as the private community access. So this is a personalized time bonus that we are giving to you, which is a unique bonus that you are going to get as an affiliate, because a lot of other people have seen they provide done for you courses and bonus which you can get it anyways onto the YouTube and other promo materials. So here is the personalized support, which is really going to be beneficial for you guys. All you have to do is just go to the link abdullahzahid.com/snapshots as onto the screen, sign up for the 30-day free trial or upgrade to the $297 or $497 plan, and you are going to get, like, using the button link available there, you'll get all the bonus I just mentioned, irrespective whether you sign up using our link or not. I wish you guys all the best and I really love you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, just want to shoot this quick video. Last month I signed up to Gohighlevel using Abdullah's affiliate link, and he gave me the snapshots as promised, and also I worked closely one-on-one with his Gohighlevel expert, and that was amazing and very helpful. She walked me through Gohighlevel, helped me create some workflows and automations. And yeah, if you're considering working with Abdullah or signing under his link, I highly recommend it. And yeah, wish you good luck. Cheers.
Just to further add to it, that you're even going to get access to this special mastermind group which I have created for the affiliate inner circle. That means all these people will be there in the personal WhatsApp group, so that it's easily accessible. Easily anybody can type in their content, whatever that they feel like, and it's only available for the inner circle affiliates. The goal of this group is that people with similar goals move together, sharing each other the strategies and promoting each other to get the client, the best of the strategies that work to get the client. So basically this group especially for progressing towards getting the client, becoming that next SaaSpreneur. Having said that, this is apart from the 127 snapshot that you're going to get. This is apart from the one-to-one personal support that you are going to get with our expert and the WhatsApp group that I'm going to form. Now, the question is whether somebody who has who has already joined the Gohighlevel, can they have access to all these things and access to the mastermind group? Answer is yes. All you have to do is just enter our code AI bonuses into AI employee. How do you go there? Like, just go to your agency, click settings, click AI employee, manage offers, and then within field FP reference is equal to, just put AI BONUSES, AI bonuses, click apply, take the screenshot and send us to abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. We will ensure to deliver you the entire snapshot set, the AI powered scripts to convert all the snapshot into AI powered, and the mastermind group access. And most importantly, you have access to me once you find your first AI employee client. I wish you guys all the best. See you there.